Hello guys, my name is Khalid. Today I'll be showing you how to set up a Jenkins server. A Jenkins is basically a popular tool for CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery. With this, the developers basically build, test, and deploy their code in the pipeline. So it's an important tool, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to configure it on the EC2 instance running an Ubuntu operating system. So currently, I am running an EC2 instance. Just launch it now. This is the IP version 4 address, and let me name it Jenkins. The process of how to install an EC2 instance on Ubuntu, you can refer to my video in the description. Okay, so now let me first log into this instance. Mobile Extreme is the software. So copy, paste, Ubuntu username, and then the PEM file, gen.pem. Okay. Okay, so now I have logged into my EC2 instance. So let me go to the web to install the Jenkins on Ubuntu 20.04. Here I'll browse to the link of this one. Okay, so there the installation is. So first we need to update our packages. So here I'm writing sudo apt update. Okay, so let me clear the screen. Okay, so the next command is to install the Java JDK Java Development Kit, and the command is this one. Okay, let me insert sudo. Next is to verify the Java version, but once the version installation is completed. Okay, so the Java package has installed. Let me see the version. Okay, so open JDK version 11.0.10. Okay, for next command, we'll copy this command gpg key. Okay, again write sudo here. Only views by root. Okay, first let me go as a root user sudo bash. Now this command should work. Okay, so the result is output is okay, which is also written here. Okay, so next add the repository address to this location. Okay, so let me copy this. And then this. Okay, so let me clear the screen. Next is to run the update command. So let us run this command. Oh, sorry. Let me copy it again. Paste. Okay, so for next command, now we can install Jenkins. Okay, so it's the main Jenkins installation command. Okay, the Jenkins is now installed. Let me clear the screen. Now going to next command. Okay, the next command is to start the Jenkins service. And let me check the status of Jenkins. Okay, so the result is active and it's running currently. Let me clear the screen. Okay, so the next is to configure the firewall. So in our case, since I am running an instance, so for firewall, I'll go to the security and I'll update the inbound rule of this launch dash wizard dash one. So I'll edit inbound rules, and here since the Jenkins needs 8080 port to be enabled, so I'm adding a rule custom TCP, and the port name is 8080 on which Jenkins work, and the source should be anywhere. So I'm saving the rule. Okay, so the rule is now saved, and let me take the IP of this instance. Um, Details. This is IP 3.140.200.98. So I'm copying it and pasting it here, and with the port name which is 8080. Okay, so the unlock Jenkins screen has been shown to us where we are requiring to um, set the initial admin password. So for this, I think the command was there. There's a command, cat command. There's a command, copy, and then paste it or in our EC2 instance. Okay, so this is our initial password, copy, and then paste it here. Okay, so install suggested plugins. An error has occurred. I think I've pressed it twice or thrice. Okay, so it's not started. It might take up to 2 or 3 minutes depending upon your internet speed. Okay, so create first admin user. So the username I'm writing is Khalid. Password, full name is DevOps. With Khalid, and email is. Okay, save and continue. Okay, so this is our Jenkins server URL, which is in fact the same URL in the browser. So, and the port is 8080. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Okay, so now we are in our Jenkins dashboard, where on the left pane you can view the manage Jenkins. So here we can configure our various tools and options that relates to our Jenkins configuration, especially the manage nodes and clouds. This is our master node currently, which have been installed with this much disk space, and we can also configure our slaves here. Slaves, or what we can say, a staging server or production server. Okay, so back to dashboard. Um, Let me create a new item. I'm creating a new project, a small project basically. Let me write a test uh, project. It's a freestyle project, and okay. Okay, so in the description, I'm writing this is a test job. Mm, Okay, so source code management, here we can write the Git repository address, which I'm not writing at the moment. I'm just making a simple one. I'll come to the build and then execute shell. Okay, so this is a shell command line where I'm writing a simple command of echo DevOps with Khalid tutorial on Jenkins installation. So I have written a simple command, and this will be echo. Okay, so I'm pressing save. So this is our project. So now let's go inside it. Uh, okay, so currently it's not run. So click on it, and first we will have to build it. So I'm clicking on build now. Okay, so currently running, so it's success. If I click on it, so this is the result which you can see. DevOps with Khaled tutorial on Jenkins installation. The finish is success. Okay, so this was a simple project, and this is how Jenkins work. And I hope this has been an informative video for you on Jenkins. And thank you very much for watching.